Dad, why is that black car outside again?
I've seen it parked there since this morning without moving at all.
I noticed it too.
The man inside keeps looking at our house, right, Mom? He looks so terrifying and creepy staring like that.
Good afternoon. I'd like to speak with the owner of this beautiful property to discuss an important matter. That's me. What brings you here and why have you been watching my family and our house all day? I want to buy your home for a price that I am absolutely certain you will find impossible to refuse. Our home isn't for sale. We don't have any... Everyone sells eventually, my friend. It is just a matter of time.
We're not interested in any offers you bring. Please respect our privacy and leave.
Dad, I don't like him. His eyes and the way he talks give me a really bad and unsettling feeling.
It's okay, sweetheart. Everything is going to be fine. Go inside with your brother.
I can offer a lot of money. More money than you could ever imagine or earn in a lifetime. I said no. Money cannot buy this home.
Why does he keep smiling like that, Mom? It looks so weird and creepy.
James, come inside right now. Stop looking out there.
You should think carefully before refusing me, young man. A hasty decision might lead to deep regrets later on. Was that a threat? Are you open? Just friendly advice. Houses like this attract attention from all kinds of people, so you must be realistic about the future. Then you should leave our
You're making a mistake refusing my offer. This is a golden opportunity for your future wealth and comfort.
That's my decision to make. I am fully responsible for my...
We already said no politely. There is no need for further discussion.
Polite answers don't change business. In the real world, politeness holds no value.
Why does he keep staring at our house? He hasn't broken his gaze. He's creepy. I feel so unsafe. I wish he would just disappear.
Kids, go inside right now. Do not stand there watching this conversation. Go back to your room. No need to hide them from me. I am not going to harm them. There's no reason to lock them away.
Don't talk about our children. You have absolutely no right to mention them. Relax, ma'am. I'm just being friendly and making conversation.
You need to leave now. I am telling you for the last time to get off my property immediately. Not before you hear my final price.
There is no price that will ever make us sell this home. Stop wasting your breath and leave.
Everyone has one, my friend. It is an undeniable truth of human nature. You just haven't seen enough zeros yet.
Dad looks really angry, Beren. I have never seen him use that terrifying voice or look that furious before, Charlotte. Because this guy...
This house belongs to our family, and it will continue to belong to us forever.
For now. That statement might be true today, but the...
Excuse me? What exactly do you mean by that? Explain your words right now.
Neighborhoods change quickly. Safety and peace are fragile things.
Mom, what does that mean? What is he trying to say about our neighborhood? It sounds so scary.
Nothing, sweetheart. It means absolutely nothing.
I could make your life easier and much more luxurious. You're making it worse. Your very presence and your threatening attitude.
Why can't he just leave us alone and go somewhere else? What does he want from our family anyway?
I don't know, James, but I am certain he has some wicked plan.
Think about your children's future and their ultimate safety in this changing environment. It is your duty as parents.
Stop using our kids to pressure us.
This conversation is over. Get out of here right now and do not ever show your face here again.
Not yet. We are far from finished, and I still have things to say. I'm warning you. This is your final chance to turn around and walk away peacefully before things get ugly. And I'm offering opportunity.
He talks like a movie villainer. He sounds exactly like those evil characters in the cartoons we always watch.
Yeah, he sounds just like a bad guy.
Kids, inside, now. Move to the back room immediately and stay away from the front of the house. Okay, we are going right now, Mom. Please be careful.
Your family deserves a better life than what this old, cramped house can provide. Think of the luxury you're denying them. We already have one.
We'll see how long that lasts. Your perfect little life won't remain undisturbed. Get off my property! Go away and never set foot on this land again!
Did you hear what he said before leaving? Those vague threats are making me incredibly anxious and terrified for us.
Every word, honey.
Dad, was he threatening us? Is he really gonna come back and do something bad to our family?
I hope not, my sweet girl.
I'm scared now. I don't want that creepy man to ever come back to our house again, Mom.
Hey, it's okay. We're together. As long as our family...
Make sure to lock the front door and secure every single window around the lower floor right now.
Already done. I checked every single entry point before. We are completely locked in and safe for the night.
Why would someone want our house so badly?
It's just a normal house. Why is he so obsessed with it?
I don't know yet, Charlotte. Maybe he's rich and wants to buy the whole neighborhood to build a giant amusement park or a mansion.
Rich people can still be creepy, James.
Still.
Nobody can force us to sell our home. No matter how much power or money they claim to have, this is our sanctuary.
Exactly.
No. Why do you ask? We have absolutely no plans to sell our house or move away anytime soon. What did he say to them? What kind of questions was he asking about our family and our house?
What? That is a complete and utter lie. How dare he spread such disgusting fabrications to our neighbors?
We never said that. Everything that man told you and the others is an absolute lie designed to manipulate us.
Who's there? It's the middle of the night. I told you I wasn't finished. I have one final offer for you, and I suggest you listen carefully. You're a stubborn man, David. But everyone has their breaking point, and I'm prepared to find yours.
Get off my porch! I'm calling the police right now!
This is your last chance. Sell now or face the consequences of your stubbornness.
We're not afraid of you. Get off our property right now or you'll regret it. Yes, I need to report a harassment. A man is at our house and he won't leave.
Everything all right here, David? I saw some unusual activity and wanted to check in.
This is none of your business, old man. Go back to your own house and mind your own business.
Thanks for coming over, Mr. Henderson. This man has been harassing us all day.
I'm not going anywhere, David. We look out for each other in this neighborhood.
It seems our time is up for today. But don't think for a second that this is over.
Get off our land! And don't ever come back! We couldn't have done it without you, Mr. Henderson.
Yeah.
Thank you for looking out for us.
Anytime, David. We're a community, and we stand together.
We're safe now. And as long as we're together, we'll always be safe.
That's enough. Leave now! This absurd conversation is officially over, and your presence is no longer tolerated. You'll regret—
We have absolutely nothing left to say to a horrible person like you.
Not yet. The final chapter of this story hasn't been written, and we will meet again.
Mom, I'm really scared. He keeps saying those awful things like something terrible is gonna happen.
Stay close to me, my love. Don't be afraid of his empty words.
Why does he keep coming back, Dad? Why won't that bad man just leave us alone and disappear?
Because he thinks he can pressure us. He believes his money—
I'm offering you a chance to leave peacefully. Take the money and walk away before you lose everything.
Listen to yourself. You've been terrorizing and harassing my family all day long. There is no peace in that.
You sound threatening. You sound exactly like a criminal extortionist trying to scare innocent citizens out of their property.
Only realistic.
I'm calling the police if you don't leave this instant. I am dialing the authorities right now. Move. Over a business offer? You are going to involve law enforcement over a legitimate and highly profitable commercial proposal?
This isn't business anymore. Stalking our house and threatening our safety is an illegal crime, you criminal.
Yeah, my dad is right. Get out of here and leave us alone.
Your children are very outspoken and surprisingly brave. They certainly aren't afraid to voice their little opinions. And
We won't let you intimidate us. We will never break.
Everyone breaks eventually, ma'am. Even the strongest walls crumble to dust. Not this family. Others might break under your pathetic threats, but we will stand firm together until the very end.
Is there a problem here? What is going on in the middle of the night on my neighbor's property?
This man keeps harassing our family. He's been lurking around all day, making threats and refusing to leave. I'm simply negotiating. Real estate negotiations do not happen without permission. Mind your own business, old man. Go back to your own house.
He's been bothering us all day. He's been parked outside in that black car spying on us since this morning. He won't leave us alone. He keeps—
I heard enough. I'm calling the police too right now to report a prowler and immediate harassment on this street.
This is ridiculous. You people are blowing a simple business proposal.
No.
What's ridiculous is you refusing to respect boundaries and thinking you can terrorize innocent people in their homes.
You're making a big mistake, sir.
The only mistake was opening the door again and wasting our breath on a pathetic bully like you.
Mom, look down the street. I can see flashing lights and hear something coming this way.
Are those police cars? Look, Mom, Dad! The police are finally here to help us throw this bad man out!
You seriously called the cops? You actually brought law enforcement down here over a property negotiation? You gave me no choice. Your relentless harassment and total lack of respect left me with no alternative.
This is all a misunderstanding, officer. We were just having a private conversation about a business proposal. Nothing serious.
No. It's our family being threatened in our own home by this individual who refuses to leave our land.
We just want him to leave us alone. He's been terrorizing us all day and—
Mark my words, you haven't seen the last of me or my associates. Yes, it is. As far as my family and my home are concerned, your little game ends right here tonight.